Okay, first thing, we're making grits, eggs, and cheese for the recipe. And you're going to need 2 bags of these grits. Or you can just use regular grits. I use 2 bags. You're going to need 2 eggs. You're going to need some butter for a pan. And we use 3-year-old cheddar aged cheese. So the first thing I like to do is crack my eggs. Crack the egg. I like to kind of move it around a little bit because I hate to get the part in my egg, so just keep rotating it and make it trying to get it in my egg. Trying to get it in my egg. I don't like that. Do the same thing. Circle right there. You don't want that in the egg. When you put anything in, move it out. It's out. Great. Now I'm trying to beat it around. Stir it. Did that, put this to the side. Now, I do the grits. You just pour them in and add soap. And pour it in and add soap. So we have everything basically done. The grits is ready. We have the water boiling. The eggs is set. And I'm just gonna grind the cheese right now. Grate cheese right now. Grate it a little bit. Just grate it. Just enough pressure on it. As long as it's good enough for whatever you're making. So I don't really measure. I just go by a couple of strokes and it gives me a good amount of cheese. Now what we're going to do, since we got the cheese prepped up, the water's boiling for the grits. Now we have to do the eggs. So we gotta let the pot get hot. I keep it on like 6. I keep it on like 6 to preheat the pan. And you know, just a little bit of butter. You don't need so much when it comes to egg and kind of spread it around. see the butter, you know, kind of bubble up. And I'll let you know when you're ready to put the egg on the fryer. I don't really like too much of just move it to the side so it doesn't stick. I'll stick a little bit. You can see that white, kind of nice, fluffy, yellow egg that everybody likes. And you just keep stirring. Some people like fried.
Yeah.
After this, I think you should do scrambled. Fried, it will be like a whole. Scramble is like broken up. So with the eggs and cheese, you want everything to be kind of separated, because when you're eating it, you don't want to have to be breaking apart the egg.
Yeah.
So it seems like you got a point when the egg is done. You just turn this up a little bit for the water to boil. Definitely done. Well, the eggs. The egg is fully cooked. You really see a little bit of a, surrounding. But that's how your eggs supposed to look.
Yeah. Nice and
I
yummy.
hope they look real beautiful. Now that we're done with the eggs, we just, put it down. And see, my fiance kind of like his food a certain kind of way. So I gotta make sure that it's tip top, looking like it just came out of outside. Alright, so we pretty much done with the egg. It's really your choice if you want to put like a little salt or pepper. I'm just gonna put a little pepper just to add on to make it look nice. But I wouldn't put anything else on here because we put other things into it, so we don't want it to get salty. So now we're just checking the water. Seems like it's almost done. Then you bring over the grits. I feel like once you have everything all down packed, you should be fine. So this is, the cheese here, the eggs is done. So I'm waiting for the water to add into the grits, stir it around, see if it's enough. If it's not enough, then you put a little bit of more water. Just you gotta kind of measure out yourself. Next time I'll probably do it with the cups and stuff to give everybody a real good demonstration of how much I really use. But this was a quick video, just to show you what we like to eat. For breakfast, lunch. It's our breakfast, but it's lunchtime. And just kind of stir it. This one is butter, so you might see it turn a little yellow. That's how it's store-bought. We didn't have the regular. We do have the regular one, but it's in the packet. Again, just stir it a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit more water before. I don't want it to be hard when it goes into the microwave. So I just put a little bit more water. It's kind of getting to that right now. So the consistency of it. Consistency. See, once you start stirring it, you start getting them more thicker. Start getting more thick. So what you want to do is lay the eggs on. So we're trying to get rid of all the stuff in one. My fiance has some recipes as well that is hopefully going to be great to share and see once he get it all out there. And then you wait and put it in the microwave. For about 2 minutes. I try not to do too much for 30 seconds. I feel like it overdoes it. But we're gonna put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. That's how it looks. So when you see it, it's gonna come out the microwave real nice. Sometimes the presentation look a little weird, but just when you eat it is what matters. How it tastes. And this is my grits. My oatmeal grits. I just finished doing that. So I'm gonna have some oatmeal. Let's put some water in here. Oatmeal. So this is my oatmeal, ladies and gentlemen, not grits. So they look real nice. And wait for the microwave again and put it in there. Kingfish. Oh, that's kingfish. My father-in-law cooks that. That's a whole nother video, but it's gonna be great. He uses his own seasoning, garlic, whatever. That kingfish is very good. So this is what your after effect look like. Ooh. The cheese kind of melted in, so it looks like the cheese is not even there, but the cheese is on top. When you dip into it, when you dig into it, you're gonna see all that cheese and you know, egg mixed in. We like to use truffle. We like to use truffle seasoning on top. I'm not saying that works for everybody, but we love it. And it goes on top. That's why I didn't use any kind of seasoning, because the truffle by itself holds a lot of seasoning, a lot of salt and stuff. So you don't want to give yourself high blood pressure. My grits. Oatmeal. Came out. It's pretty much cooked all the way through. And you want to have that thick consistency. And I'm going to put a little butter in there. Butter and pull it in there, and there it goes, rub it in. I wouldn't recommend if people don't use butter. Whatever you use, you can, just as long as it tastes good to you. But I use butter, and I'm going to put a little sugar in there, brown sugar, and that's it. I normally put cinnamon, but only when I'm not using sugar. But I could still do it though, I think. I don't use so much because brown sugar is kind of thick. You can just sprinkle it around. Sprinkle it. It has a nice little, I don't know, topping. It should be great. It actually looks like cinnamon a little bit. Toast Crunch. Dust on it and see how it tastes. See how it tastes. I'm just gonna give it a little bit of spread. It seems like it's like sugar. This is our ending point. So everybody